This how you know they're real. Pick them up with one hand. TE, baby. Alright, that's it.
What you say about it? Welcome back to Bacon Grease Media, and today we'll be installing the Volk Racing TE37 wheels on the Acura Integra. And I've been waiting on this moment. I really don't know what I've been waiting for, but I've been waiting. So let's go ahead and get done and do this.
With the wheels.
Yeah, buddy, we sure do. We finna be riding clean, just me and you. Cutting up the city. Your mama gonna be looking for us, and we gonna be gone. Anyways, I threw them on the front, snugged them up by hand. I ain't want to scratch them. Did what I had to do. And if you wonder why these rims don't have center caps, cause TEs don't come with center caps. Cause they super lightweight. You don't need center caps whenever you're going fast. Remember that. Pull out that plastic. Ooh, look at it. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Ooh, that thing sexy, ain't it? Yep. Torque them down to about 100 foot-pounds. 100 foot-pounds. Let me say that better. 100 foot-pounds. Then I repeated the same process on the back. I jacked it up. Shout out to my Harbor Freight parking lot sale jack. Works like a charm. The Amazon impact wrench hit too. Check that out on one of my other videos. Snug them up. Hand tighten them. I really outdid myself with these wheels. I really like the way they look. Just a classic, but still cool look at the same time. Timeless. That's a timeless wheel. Real trap shit. Look at that fitment. Ooh, that thing just sat down right on the wheel. That thing looks sexy, don't it? That's what I'm talking about. Be sure to click and subscribe. I can't say that. Subscribe to my YouTube page for more hot videos like this. Bacon Grease. Bacon Grease Media. Bacon Grease. Bacon Grease.